Good afternoon. Hi, this is Dale Ellentenny with the Gustan Cho Team in Loan Cabin, here to talk to you FHA buyers looking to buy and wondering whether you can be approved given your specific scenario. So a couple things that what we typically do here in our business is we collect your information, we analyze your information, we input it into our loan origination system, and we usually run what's called automated underwriting findings. And in many cases we get approvals, and in some cases we don't. So in the cases that we don't, we will look to see if we can do what's called a manual underwrite. So in the case of a manual underwrite, I would say as a first-time home buyer, you definitely want to have a verifiable payment history of rent. That usually is one of the most impactful pieces of credit you can have. So an underwriter can determine whether you can handle the payment shock, which would be the difference from your rent versus your new mortgage payment. Maybe you don't have payment shock. I've had people who are actually paying higher rent versus, I have a woman right now in Texas who's looking to buy, and her rent payment is currently $1,500 a month, and she's looking to buy a property that would be all in $1,350. Now she's got an approved eligible, but she would be a great manual underwriting candidate. You know, if you have any assets, 401ks, anything on the side, having a couple months savings is hugely impactful, and it's a positive to know you have a couple months reserves in the event we all run into a quote-unquote rainy day, and to have reserves in there is definitely helpful. So now if you're somebody FHA who's got some money in the bank, and I have a lot of people who come to me with a non-QM scenario because they have 10 or 15% to put down or 20% to put down. Now those full doc buyers sometimes can qualify FHA because at 10% down, FHA in theory will go down to a 500 FICO score. Now in those situations, I cannot do a manual underwrite. I need an approved eligible through the automated underwriting system. But hey, you know what? We tried at 10%. If it doesn't work, I have a gentleman who we did it at 15% and it worked, meaning it worked. We got an approval at 15%. This person was a very low end of the FICO spectrum, but is thrilled. This person going to be buying in a couple months, but is already approved. So it's a great opportunity to at least explore. Don't dismiss yourself. You may have an opportunity that you're overlooking. If you have any questions, please contact me, Dale at loancabin.com. My phone number is 630-479-2719. You can also share and like, if you do like this, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks and have a great day.